we are looking at how to pronounce the name of this region of Germany. In English, this is normally said as Westphalia. Westphalia, not Westphalia, but Westphalia. If you're wondering how this is said in German and how consequently perhaps it should be said with a more German pronunciation, well, this is the English word for that region. In German, that region is not called Westphalia or Westphalia or anything like this. It's called Westfalen. Westfalen. So don't feel bad about pronouncing it the English ways. This is an English word, Westphalia. And now you know it all. Here are more videos on how to pronounce. Oh, if this was useful, make sure to hit this like button and consider subscribing. More videos on how to pronounce more interesting words. Thanks for watching.